probably start to do the dogwood flowers over there. So last January, I believe, Dabney Sanders with the Downtown Greenway Project approached Mrs. Sluter and I, our principal here at Weaver Academy, and she shared the opportunity with us for our students to design and paint one of the crosswalks that would be a part of the entire Greenway project. And I loved the idea, especially because our students have always sought to beautify our community and really show Weaver outside of the building. But I also, as an instructor, I wanted to make sure it was a real life experience. So I met with Dabney and Barbara Peck, and we spoke about, what this looks like outside of a school project. What would this look like for working community artists? And we had our students follow that same model of an artist call. We had over 60 designs submitted by students or student pairs, and they included a written statement, a title, the design itself, inspiration, and all of that was shared with the group. They made a selection of a final few students. Those students then recorded videos to further explain the designs and the importance of this opportunity. And then finally, Alani and Kate were our chosen design.
When I found out that we both got chosen for our design, I was really surprised and excited to work on it with the whole art department. The design is called Nature's Threads, and we wanted to incorporate elements of nature to align with the Greenway and also with the rock that we took inspiration from. So we have elements like the Greensboro grasshopper, the dogwood flower, the honeybee, and ladybugs.
And then from that, trying to make sure that the shapes were like clearly readable from a distance and making sure that the colors weren't too much. It's a lot that goes into it, but our teachers have really prepared us for stuff like this, so it wasn't too hard.
Experiences like this are so pivotal because our students are in the classroom every day learning, but once we move them to new environments, whether it's just here on the corner or at a gallery across town, when they have these experiences outside of the classroom, it builds their confidence, and it also gives them the reassurance that they can do these things, and they do have that knowledge and that strength. They just need to put it into practice.
It further taught me the importance of community and just how important student impact is, and I don't know, the importance of coming together to make something cool.